Just got out of a traffic jam and it's clear sailing until I come upon this Wisconsin driver that is going under the speed limit in the far left lane. Now it took me a minute or so to realize it. Watch how he reacts when I try to pass. Another Wisconsin driver going under the speed limit. Now he gets triggered and starts gesturing. Then he will make a failed attempt to revenge pass. And after the IQ is shown, that is the end of this song.
God, it's brutal out here.
You just don't come into someone else's state and act this way. Now, these Wisconsin people overall, they're just an angry bunch of people. If you look at the happiest states, you'll see that Wisconsin is trailing Illinois in the happiest states. And that is it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Here's a preview of the next episode. And it's 2024 now. Let's have this be the year that we stop doing dumb crap on the roads. I know we can do it. Let's go.